Good afternoon, guys. It's Keith Trades with the Money Printers team, and we're going to go over today's June 13th full days analysis, the callouts, and our two trades behind it. So let's get right into it. So coming into the Discord at launch in July, you will get a long and short plan. This plan isn't this is what's going to happen. I lay out scenarios. This is what I want to see for sellers. This is what I want to see for buyers. More than likely, I mean, it's been almost 6 weeks straight. One of these plans will hit. So it's your job to stay disciplined and wait for just that. So today our short plan ended up hitting, right? As you can see, called out at 6:14 in the morning before market open, right? My short plan was either we would see a new all-time high and then break down, or a breakdown model off the open to run a 19,583 and we bounce to the 4-hour fair value gap, right? This is what ended up happening. The breakdown model off the open. Let's get right into the higher time frames first. So 4 hour. This sticks out very well to me. Right, a PPI day. This fair value gap here. If we see a selling pressure, the first imbalance or inefficiency the market will look to fill is this 4-hour fair value gap. Right, coming in on the 1 hour, here is that 4,583 level. Right, sell side line right there. As you can see, off the open, we have that PPI news manipulation and we have that liquidity super higher time frame. Coming in on the 1 minute, right, market did exactly that. Breakdown model right off the open. We came up, came into this 1 minute fair value gap, right, respected nicely. Market structure shift through this low, confirmed by the close below here. Right, this was not a bad entry to get short at this 1 minute fair value gap, which would have worked out totally fine, but I was a bit more composed, a bit more disciplined because I'm a 5 minute trader. If we go on the 5 minute chart, there was not a 5 minute break of structure or displacement. I didn't really know where market wanted to go just yet. But when we see buyers step up here, we saw buyers step up here, and we see us just shoot right through it and see selling pressure, I'm fine getting this inverse short here, right, with my stop at this wick to target what? The 19,583 into the 4-hour fair value gap unfilled. Right, so respective higher time frame fair value gap break a structure. We're respecting bearish inefficiencies. We see a bullish form gets ran through instantly with no respect. Right, I'm short on the inverse with my stop at this wick, right, targeting this low. For about 50-point gain, I was able to secure about 48 points. And then coming into my PM session trade, a very nice trade, a small trade, but quality nonetheless. All right, so market had a continuation model short, right, swing high to this swing low, right, continuation breakdown to run lower. I wasn't on to take that, and I hopped on around 10:30. So coming into 10:30, I look at the 15-minute fair value gap. 15-minute fair value gap here was getting respected. 15-minute fair value gap below, we were still respecting nicely. Right, coming in on the 5 minute, here was my real play point to see, right, this 5 minute fair value gap here, wick to wick here. Right, this is what you would look for. If we respect, and then we would run lower to this low. Right, if we bought through, we would inverse to this high. Right, and we ended up doing both. Right, so coming on the 1 minute, here is what I saw in the trade. I'll move this 15-minute fair value up here. Right, again, our classic model. Right, internal high, swept, market structure shift through this low. Right, respective a higher time fair value gap, we hit discount of the range, respecting the 50, respecting the 5. Internal swept, break a structure with clear displacement. Right, this is a 1 minute fair value gap entry here, but it ended up forming a 2 minute, so it was a 2 minute. Right, shorts at here, stop at this wick high for 9 points. Target, very conservative. This swing low ended up being the perfect sell for a 20-point gain. Right, so that's June 13th trade recap. Just two trades, quality, efficient trades, and, captured about 70 points today. And thank you guys for watching. And I want to reiterate that we have our Discord launch in July. And as you can see, our plans have hit for almost 6 weeks straight, and you guys will be able to take advantage of those plans and be self-sufficient, or watch us live trade every day, watch my call outs, watch what I'm looking at, and execute and learn with me. With that being said, thank you for watching, and be sure to leave a like or comment, and I'll be sure to get back to it real quick.